central Wisconsin, east central Greene County, and south central Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Butt Head, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Evansville and Orfordville around 4:35 p.m., Footville around 4:40 p.m., Janesville around 4:50 p.m., Wilton around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm, including Dean Ford, Hanover, Magnolia, and Fulton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.